Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain solution of differential equation using method of variation of parameters. This method is applicable for linear ordinary differential equation with constant coefficient. This is the nth order ordinary differential equation and right hand side is 0, so this is the homogeneous differential equation. And in the last video I have explained how to solve this homogeneous differential equation using auxiliary equation. So this equation we can solve, we can write the auxiliary equation by replacing y dash by m, y double dash by m square, and y power n equal to m power n. So we get one equation of order n, and we can solve that. We'll get the n roots of auxiliary equation, and we can write the n solutions y1, y2, y1 based on this n roots of auxiliary equation. So by using the principle of superposition, if y1, y2, yn are independent solution of this equation 1, then y equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2 plus cn yn is also solution of differential equation this one. This is the principle of superposition, provided y1, y2, yn are independent solution. So what is the independent solution? So let us have definition of independent solution. So let y1, y2, yn are solution of differential equation 1, question 1. Then if you write k1 y1 plus k2 y2 plus k1 y1 equal to 0, and if all ki 0, which imply all ki equal to 0 for all I vary from 1 to n, so we say independent solution. We say independent solution. And if at least one k is non-zero, if at least one k is non-zero, any k is not zero, let us have kr. If at least one k is non-zero, so we say dependent solution. If all ki 0, so we say independent solution. If at least one k non-zero, so we say the dependent solution. Here we'll check the dependent solution or independent solution using the Wronskian. So we'll have one definition, Wronskian. So let us have one differential equation of second order f x y y dash y double dash equal to 0, and let y1 and y2 are two solution. So we can define Wronskian of y1 and y2 equal to determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix, where first row is y1 and y2, second row is y1 dash y2 dash. So Wronskian is determinant of this 2 cross 2 matrix. Now if Wronskian wx, this is the function of x, because this y1 y2 are function of x, so Wronskian is non-zero for all x, so we say y1 y2 are independent, y and y2 are independent solution. We say y1 y2 are independent solution. And if Wronskian is non-zero, if Wronskian is 0 for any x, so we say dependent solution. We say dependent solution. And we have another one result. If Wronskian is 0 for at least one x, so this Wronskian will be identically 0. So we are not going to focus on this one. Just you should know the Wronskian is 0 for one x, so it will be identically 0. So when Wronskian is non-zero, so your solution is independent solution, and Wronskian is 0, so that is the y1 y2 are dependent solution. Now let us see the working procedure for method of variation of parameter. Let us have second order differential equation y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to f of x. So this is the non-homogeneous second order ordinary differential equation with constant coefficient. So the solution, the general solution of this equation will be in the two parts. One part will be y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So we can have complementary function plus particular integral. In the short form, we can write y equal to cf plus pi, complementary function plus particular integral. So this complementary function is solution of homogeneous part of this equation. So y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to 0. So complementary function is solution of this homogeneous equation, and we know how to solve this equation. We can write the auxiliary equation. So that will be m square plus am plus b equal to 0. We get two roots m1 and m2, and based on these two roots we can have the solution. y1 is e power m1x and y2 is e power m2x, and using the superposition we can write complementary function, that is the yc equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So this is your complementary function of this equation. Now for finding particular integral, we'll use the method of variation of parameter. So the formula for particular integral yp will be yp equal to minus y1 integral y2 f by w dx plus y2 integral y1 f by w dx, where this f is non-homogeneous part and w is Wronskian of y1 and y2. So before applying this formula, you have to make sure your Wronskian should be non-zero. Wronskian non-zero means you should have the independent solution. So when y1 and y2 are independent, so we can find the Wronskian and we can get the yp. So final solution y will be yc complementary function plus yp particular integral. So this will get using the auxiliary equation, and this will get using this formula, method of variation of parameter, which is the based on Wronskian. So this was the working procedure of this method. Let us try with one example. So this is the given problem. Y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to x exponential x sin x. The question is solve the given differential equation using method of variation of parameter. So this equation, the solution will have the two parts. One is the complementary function, second is particular integral. Let us try to find first complementary function. So the auxiliary equation will be m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0, which imply m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So m equal to 1. So this is the repeated roots. So we'll have the complementary function yc will be c1 e power x plus c2 x e power x. So here the solution y1 will be e power x and y2 will be x e power x. So this is your complementary function. For particular integral, let us try to find first Wronskian. So Wronskian will be y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. So this equal to x e power x, and differentiation will be x, and this will be x e power x plus e power x. So this determinant is e power 2x. So this is a non-zero. So here Wronskian is non-zero. So we can apply the formula of for particular integral. So that will be yp will be minus y1 and y2 f by w dx plus y1, and we'll have here y2 and y1 f by w dx. So y1 is exponential x and y2 is x e power x, and f is non-homogeneous part, so that we have x e power x sin x. So we can have x e power x sin x divided by exponent divided by the Wronskian, that is e power 2x dx plus y2. So y2 is x e power x integral y1 is e power x, and f is x e power x sin x divided by Wronskian, so e power 2x dx. So your yp will be, so we can write yp equal to minus e power x, and integral will be x square sin x dx plus x e power x, and we have x sin x dx. So this is your particular integral. Now this yp has two parts. One is the integral of x square sin x, and second one integral of x sin x. So we can integrate using the integration by parts. So integration of x square sin x dx equal to, with negative sign we have x square cos x minus 2x sin x minus 2 cos x, and this integral is sin x minus x cos x. So we can write the particular integral yp equal to e power x into x square cos x minus 2x sin x minus 2 cos x and plus x e power x and integral of x sin x. So this is the sin x minus x cos x. So this is your particular integral yp, and we have the yc complementary function, that is the c1 e power x plus c2 x e power x. So this we already find out, this part is the complementary function. So the final solution y will be yc plus yp, complementary function plus particular integral. So this is your final answer, where yc is given here and yp is given here. Yc we have find out using auxiliary equation, yp we have find out the using the formula of method of variation of parameter. Okay, thank you.